Meaning of El Paso.
El Paso.
El Paso.
El Paso.
El Paso. El Paso is a Spanish term that translates to the pass or the crossing. It refers to a city in the state of Texas, which sits on the Rio Grande River across from Ciudad Juárez, Mexico. El Paso is known for its rich history and cultural diversity, as well as its location as a gateway between the United States and Mexico. The city has a thriving economy, with a strong focus on international trade and healthcare. El Paso is also home to many landmarks and attractions, including museums, parks, and historic sites.